Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a really relaxing speed clean with me. So I had just gotten off from work, and just to give you a little backstory, it is the end of the month. So at my job, every end of the month is always stressful. I'm always late at work in the evenings, and I just don't feel like coming home during the week and doing like a really big clean. So I knew that I had some things that I wanted to pick up, and I just didn't want to go to bed with a dirty house. I would really like to get up in the morning and everything be nice and clean. So I decided to do just a really quick speed clean and bring you guys along with me. You guys know that over the weekend is when I do most of my major cleaning, but I knew that since I was going to be staying late at work, I just didn't want to come home to a dirty house. So we're just going to breeze through this. If you guys have some things you need to get together and pick up, clean along with me. I've got some good music. I'm going to pop in and out every now and then and talk to you guys, but for right now, I'm going to go ahead and start tackling the kitchen, and that is including the dishes, the dishwasher, the sink, the stove. I need to clean up everything from the dinner the night before that I made and just get everything all tidy in here. So let's go ahead and jump right on into it.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love you.
So more than likely, this video is going to go out on a Friday, which means this Sunday is going to be Halloween. And I'd like to know if any of you guys are going to be dressing up, if you have parties to go to. Let me know in the comments what your costume is going to be. We have no plans. If I remember correctly, Ruben saying it, I believe this weekend is the first weekend of muzzle loader hunting. You know, I don't pay pay attention that much. But I know he's probably not going to be here, and I am going to have to go into work this weekend to get some things done. So we really don't have any plans, but I just miss the boys being little and taking them out and trick-or-treating and seeing all the other kids. And I must say too that our house where we are, we never get any trick-or-treaters. So I never get to see anybody, and it's just sad. I mean, just sitting and think about it, like, I've gone, so many years with my kids growing up and seeing all the trick-or-treaters and doing fun little parties, especially like parties at their schools and daycare and stuff like that. It just makes me sad, and it makes me feel just old. So I would love for you guys to let me know if you guys are going to do anything for Halloween. Also, if you follow me over on Instagram, go and tag me, like if you do a stories with your little costumes or with your kids' costumes. Post them on your stories and tag me in them. That way I can see them. It would make me just feel so much better. I just honestly really miss stuff like that. But yeah, I'm just reminiscing on some things, and I was just thinking about, the weekend and stuff like that and what I was going to do. I'm not doing nothing. I ain't doing nothing. So I'll be working. But you guys have fun. And like I said, if you post anything, tag me in it. That way I can see everything. I might dress Bodie up. I'm not quite sure yet. I was on Amazon looking, and you know how they have like those lion's manes, like little headpieces or whatever for dogs. I think he would look so cute, but dang good and well, he's not going to keep it on his head, but maybe next year. I don't know. Maybe when he calms down a little bit, I can try, but I'm just going to go ahead and move on into the living room. I'm not going to do a whole bunch in here, just kind of dust everything off, especially the TV, because it's dark, so you see everything on there. But I'm just going to get everything dusted off and vacuumed, and then we're going to move into the bedroom.
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me, there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Still holding tight through every fight, 'cause sometimes I can see through the echo of every day, always the same, until you take a step and let go. You told me that the shade's turning brighter, I don't know how. You showed me every heart is a fighter, time is now. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing
Moving on into the bedroom, I knew that I was going to be going to bed here in just a few hours anyway, but I decided to go ahead and make it up. That way it was nice when I got in here. And I kind of want to let you in on a little real life petty moment that I had. So when I came in here, I kind of got irritated, and I'll tell you why. So the other day during the week, you guys know I've said it before that I usually don't do Ruben's clothes, like he washes them himself. But I stayed up really late one night, like after midnight during the week. It was like a school night for me, but just, for work, and washed and dried and folded all of his stuff. But guess what I'm not going to do? I'm not going to put them away. They're still sitting there. So I just left them, and I didn't feel like putting all those little socks together. And yeah, that's my petty moment for the day. Let me know if you have ever been that petty before, but I didn't even touch them on this night either. So I just went ahead and got my side of the bed straightened up, and like I said, got the bed made. I went ahead and vacuumed. That way everything was nice. And then I just went ahead and moved on over to the bathroom. But before I started cleaning the bathroom, I went ahead and grabbed my cotton balls and threw those in my wax warmers. That way they could be soaking up that melted wax. And then after I'm cleaning the bathroom, after I'm done, I can go ahead and put my new scents in.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single. Oh, we won't do mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life.
So we are all done, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this quick clean with me. If you did, make sure to leave it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and tag me in all of your Halloween parties, costumes, and everything like that. I really appreciate you guys coming and spending a few minutes with me today. But for now, I'm going to go. I love you and appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
You got that good, good